It's the last day, Vagabond Vacations Ibiza, but don't be sad, we are still very happy. We got a full day to go. We're gonna start it off with a colorful group shoot at the pool. That's always a spot that we try to also include and not forget about the beautiful accommodations that we stay at. So this villa sure had to be captured. All the girls are climbing up the waterfall as we speak. That's where Juan wants them for the starting group shot. Let's get to it.
Switch with Andrea. Andrea.
So I'm gonna go for a little bit of a longer lens. Let's do 35. And then I will switch to my wide angle to do a little POV ID that I got. I'm using half of my happy birthday balloons, the happy part.
Today the shoot is colorful and just dressed up for it.
Of course I did. Even the camera.
And the camera is also in a costume.
Colorful guys, that's why I'm here.
The most difficult part with group shots is always composing the girls in a way that it looks the most flattering for everybody. So that takes some time. Don't rush it. Just place every model one by one where you want them.
Girls, I'm gonna count down and you all do some movement like energy. 3, 2, 1, Vagabond! I think I have it. Composing a lifestyle shot, especially with a group of girls in such a beautiful place that you want to show as much as possible of. 2 girls are on the sunbed, 2 girls with the floaty, somebody can stay on the waterfall. Yeah, we're gonna do it in a certain angle. Kind of like a puzzle, so I'm gonna take a look, see how big my frame is, and then put you where there's like the empty spots that I want to fill up.
I think Alessia chose the best shot for the group shot.
Monica, move more to the side. Yeah, alright. Mark, can you try a standing pose? Something very long.
I'm the prop master today.
Everybody just kind of relax, act as if you're just chilling. Ooh, I got my ice cream floating away. Awesome. Yes, I think we got this one. One more photo, kind of the same, so you can just all stay. Now it's super wide. I will sit much closer, I guess. This is gonna be the frame. Everybody the same. Andrea needs to come forward now. You can still have the sitting pose, I kind of like it. You just float around there. Perfect. Yeah, this is the shot.
I'm not even using my eyes, I'm just the shutter button.
You can even hold my foot, it's kind of funny. It's an amazing shot, guys.
Thank you. I feel like a great photographer.
The whole group is making their way to the end of the clip where we will kick off the shoot. Dario is going to lead the way and show how it's done.
Yes, this is how it's done. Left foot, right foot, left foot, right foot. Never twice right or twice left, girls.
Natasha is taking some B-roll slow-mo shots of the girls. Pure Plunkett is capturing some genuine moments there.
I'm waiting for the happy flies that way.
This is why you come to the Vagabond Vacations. It's always just a cool spot, and we're a little early here, so people are just relaxing, enjoying a bit, soaking it in, getting ready for the shoot. We're really now enjoying the breeze and having a good time, discovering new spots in the world, new locations with cool people. Hola, Natasha! Natasha really is getting some cool B-roll clips. It's a little windy today and Barbala has a perfect outfit for it. I don't know what it is, but it looks good in the wind. I always love it when models bring clothing pieces like this. One, gives you some options to pose with, and also it gives for a way more dynamic shot. It looks really cool with the moody clouds in the background. They're really blue, and her orange or gold, let's say, is very contrasting against it. It's a very awesome moody shot.
I love that one. You captured the exact moment when I was like the first
just the moment.
You do CrossFit, Josh?
I do.
I think you can use it on the trip here to get the best shots. Josh is gonna try a handstand here, but it's kind of weird because this rock doesn't go like this, but like this. So balance might be pretty difficult. Let me not at the edge though. Oh. Flo is getting the photo. That's awesome. Oh, Natasha's getting a behind the scenes shot as well. With that shutter of Flo, you can't be stealthy, of course. The model is gonna recognize it after the first one.
I'm going to shoot cinematic of Alessia.
Cheers, Alessia.
I know one spot. It's very dangerous, but it's very cool.
Natasha kept it for you.
What are you trying to convince my girlfriend of?
I already took a picture on the spot, so I'm alive. Everything is okay. Maybe she wants to try it.
I'm pretty sure Natasha is not gonna convince her to do something more dangerous that she wouldn't do herself.
Yeah, that's why I'm scared now.
Checking out the location, as you can see, it's a cliff there. But the thing is, it's not like really into the depth if you have a problem, so it's still safe. like what Natasha is doing here. The model stays in one place and the photographer or videographer in this case moves around a lot to get different angles from the model, and the model doesn't need to move.
Started off with a group drone shot this time because Juan is still on his way to Punta Galera. That's where we are. Beautiful viewpoint over the water. It's like this layered rock formation.
We are gonna be facing this way. We're gonna go for a classic drone boomerang. So we're gonna find a pose that works for everyone, and then we're gonna just go all the way to the back out so we see the full environmental shot. It's gonna look nice because we got the long shadows as well. It's gonna be beautiful footage. Come join Vagabond Vacations if you want to do these amazing shoots like we're doing right now in these beautiful, beautiful locations. It's wonderful, guys. Book it right now.
Models are waiting for the group drone shot, and it's a little windy here. So they're all comfortable and cozy now in the blanket. Got a last model joining. So now we're ready for the drone shot.
Unroll the burrito.
It's a sad thing, but it's the final group shot of this trip. But we're gonna make it a good one.
Making a beautiful masterpiece. It's the ending shot of this video.
Nice. Since it's a little windy, we're gonna go behind this rock here, and honestly it looks also pretty cool for a shot. So we can do 2 in 1. Get a little warm and get another cool shot in. Actually it looks more cool than the other one. More unique.
Beautiful.
Sometimes I like shooting video of the models when they're taking selfies, because honestly they get the best poses then, because they can check themselves and see how they look. Today we have a new model that joined. Her name is Helen. Let's meet her. Juan just asked the model which side is her favorite side, because usually they know themselves, so you don't have to figure it out, you can just ask them. This location looks really cool for models laying down, because you have all these kind of like cracks in the rock, and if you align them a little bit with the model shapes, it looks crispy. Perfect spot to check the photos here, out of the wind.
It's our cubby hole. This is our command center, our man cave.
Yes.
And woman
Literally,
cave.
it's
Yeah,
a cave.
it's a mixed group cave.
It's a mixed. It's the Vagabond cave.
Oh, I like that.
Vagabond.
Oh, I like the location that Josh found here. Oh, this looks dope. I walked away for a second and boom, another girl entered the shot. Josh is now taking a duo shot.
My brain gets confused when you try to do these reels. They look very easy, but you always gotta keep all the transitions in mind, and if you did one special transition somewhere or the half of a special transition, you need to see chronologically what the other half is right now.
A little easier enough for Juan, it's only 2 models instead of 7. For the last moments of the day, the sun is peaking a little bit again, so that's a great time to take some last shots.
As if you're posing next to them. 3, 2, 1, go.
Super awesome now, so now it's time to get the most shots in. Juan is not gonna waste this moment, sure of that.
Yes, this is what they wanted.
1 second, the girls are moving. I'm waiting. Oh man, the light on your face. Yeah. Yeah, oh my god, Mark. That is the sexiest muscle can I've ever seen in my life. A little bit sideways, more the face. Yeah, there, that point.
It's like God flipped on a light switch and boom, we got some amazing holy light. Look at this, guys.
Thank you, Jesus.
I just descended from heaven.
Thinking of new poses. I want to put Juan in the background. Yeah, wait. Oh, this one. Oh, BTS. Nobody else can pose the kind of muscles like Mark can. God damn, Mark.
Oh wow.
Oh, you can maybe get a sponsorship from them.
Yeah, honestly,
I don't know what
because
I'm showing you. I'm just scrolling, right?
no, these
Tell
are
me when
so
I'm at my
good.
dick pics.
No, these are so good. I love that. I've never been so happy to like pose with a can of fish than right now.
This is what we were missing all day. A little spark on that gold from the light. This is gonna be the last shoot of the day and the last shoot of this vacation here.
We got the last model heading on home because it's getting a little bit frisky out here. I'm gonna do the same because we have one last thing on the last day of Vagabond Vacations. It's kind of a tradition. We're gonna do a little barbecue party, let's call it, at home. It's always nice, cozy, with all the people that you've met on this vacation, all the new friends, almost family. If you want to have the same experience, then join us on one of the next Vagabond Vacations. We got Iceland coming up, we got Bali coming up, some really nice trips. So see you guys on one of those. JC out, good.